Hi, I'm Tana Fryer, and I want to welcome you to the RV Foodie. It's Labor Day weekend, and what is more Labor Day-ish than a good old-fashioned cookout? It's about enjoying time, maybe out in the woods like here, or with some close family and friends during this crazy COVID time. Keep it simple. Enjoy the things that are important. Celebrate the work that others have done and you've done, and have a few good bites. So I think the secret to this weekend's grilling and picnic fare is keeping it simple. Don't overdo anything. Get the best sausages, burgers, portobello mushrooms if you want to go without meat for the weekend. Get the best that you can get and keep it as simple as possible. Carrots, again, simple as best. We just cut them up both so they're very similar sizes so that they cook evenly. Toss them in a little bit of olive oil, salt and pepper, and some. I love my carrots with rosemary. So one of the things that I've loved about being on the road is discovering so many amazing places to find delicious food, whether it be the local farmers market, the local food co-op, the small family grocery store. Just this week, I was able to ask some questions in the local co-op, just to ask the butcher behind the counter, tell me a little bit about this pork. And right away, he talked about the two folks who raise the pigs for the pork that they have at this co-op. And he's been to the farm. He has seen the animals. He can tell you how often those folks pop into the co-op. And I'm excited later on this weekend to actually cook some pork chops that I got. We see week after week produce and meats recalled for salmonella, E. coli. In my news feed this morning, the first thing I saw was a recall this summer on peaches and onions. 1,000 people in 47 states got sick from onions, and another 78 people in 12 states got sick from poisoned peaches. Get to know your local farmer. The smaller the number of people who handle it, the smaller the farm, the less likely you're going to get animal waste, water runoff. This is what we're seeing. We're seeing contaminated water runoff from big ag farms, and that wastewater has contaminants. And so if you get to know your farmer, if food doesn't come from far away, we're eliminating steps along the way that has the chance to contaminate that food. So the closer to home, the better the taste, and the less likely you're going to get to be poisoned by your own food. This Labor Day weekend, I want to say stay safe. Make sure you tell people you love them, and be especially thankful this weekend for the essential workers that are really keeping us safe, that are making sure that we have food on the table, even when it means risking themselves to do it. Cheers.